Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got a special guest today, which is my mom. Mom, thank you so much for guesting on my YouTube channel today, doing a makeover on my mom, and we'll be doing a part 1 and part 2 videos. So on the part 1 we'll be doing just for an everyday makeup look for her, and then the second video, which is the part 2, I'll be doing a glam makeup look for her. And my mom, she's you're 69?
Yes.
Yeah, my mom's 69 years old, guys. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to see how I make over my mom, please keep on watching. Using the Neutrogena cleansing wipes. Just want to make sure that she's got a clean face before we apply the makeup. So with the eye cream, I'll be using the Tarte Maracuja C brightening eye treatment. The moisturizer, I'll be using the Essano Rosehip regenerating facial moisturizer. M427 brush. I'm just gonna stapling this all over her face. Then on our lips, I'll just be putting some lip balm, lip moisturizer. So with the primer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Prep and Glimmer stick, and this is in the shade Golden. Using the same brush, I'm just be applying this all over her face. So with the concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles, and this is in the shade Medium. Got a little bit of dark circles under her eyes, so we're just gonna go and apply that under her eyes just to help to brighten up her under eyes. Okay, I'm just be using a concealer brush from Morphe, and this is the Morphe brush M173. Okay, I'm also going to be applying that all over her eyelid. Close your eyes, man. Just relax and relax. Foundation, I'll be using the Innoxa Hydrating Foundation. This is the HydroBoost foundation, and this is in the shade Beige. And I'll be using the Morphe M6 brush. So this particular foundation is a very liquidy foundation, and it's definitely going to give you a lot of hydration on your skin if you got a very mature skin. And this is actually got a light to medium coverage, and the finish, I mean, after you apply the foundation, it's actually giving you like more like a powdery finish. I'll be applying a cream blush on her, so I'll be using the Maybelline Dream Matte Blush in the shade Flirty Pink. So I'll be using the same brush that I've actually used earlier, which is the Morphe M27. So I'm just gonna stapling this through and just applying this on her cheeks. Set her under eyes and her T-zone area, because I know my mom's got a combination skin like me. I'll be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and I'll be using a sponge with this. So with the sponge, I'm just putting it on the back of my hand. So with her brows, I'll be using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim, and in the shade Deep Brown. So I'm just gonna be lining her brows first. So I'm just gonna be applying this very, very lightly. Using the Innoxa eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Daytime Neutrals. Taking this a very lighter shade. You always have to tap the excess because your eyes smell. And I'm just be applying this all over our lid, and I'll be using the Morphe M433 brush. We got a very slight satin finish. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with this second shade here, guys. This second shade here, and then I'll just be applying a smaller brush, and I'll be using the Morphe M456, and I'm just gonna be packing this just on that middle lid, guys. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and curl our lashes. So I'm gonna get my mom to curl her lashes. Decided to use lashes on my mom just for the sake of this video, so that way that actually looks really nice. Decided to change her lipstick to you know, still the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, but this is in the shade Treat Yourself. Marc Jacobs Secret Escape A bit of shine on her lips, so it's not going to be like too matte. So I'm just adding that in the middle of her top lid and her bottom lid. Her upper waterline, I'll be using the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil, and this is like a brownish color. The Morphe X Bretman Rock highlighter palette, and I'll be using the Bebe Girl on my mom's inner corner. I just wanted to get her inner corners to pop up more. And whatever's left over. In her face, using the Wet n Wild collaboration with Bretman Rock. This is his setting spray. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, we definitely had so much fun filming this video for you guys, doing a makeover of my mom's an everyday makeup look for you guys, because you guys might think that it's it might be a bit too much. Mind you guys, it looks really amazing in person, this makeup look. What do you think, Mom?
Yes, I agree. Being my daughter is really very patient in applying makeup to me, because I'm always complaining. I got tickly sometimes, especially my eyelashes. So it's worth it anyway. Look, what's an amazing, my beautiful look now. I look younger, smart, and confident.
Yeah, so she's really happy with the outcome, guys, and thank you again, Mom, for coming into my YouTube channel today. And are you gonna be ready for the next makeup look?
I do.
Are you still?
Yeah. See the difference?
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you wanted to get your name shout out on my next video, please comment down below, and I would love to hear from you guys. And I also would like to get to know you also, because you're actually part of my YouTube family. And thank you again for supporting me all the way through. And also let me know, guys, what video you want to watch next, and I would love to hear any of your feedback, any suggestions, you know, because you guys are the one who watch my video, so I make sure that I know what you love watching, guys. Please comment down below.
Yes, don't forget to like and share this video on my daughter's YouTube channel, and we appreciate it very much.
Hey guys!
Bye, guys.